2022 Mercedes Sprinter. That's how many miles on it. Misfire cylinder number 3. Unfortunately, my skin tool stopped seeing blue tube, I think forever. But the bottom line is it's got low compression in that cylinder, about 90 pounds right now. I just basically connected the hose to it. I was trying to turn off the injector with the scan tool to see if it's getting gas, because the spark plug looks super wet. But the bottom line is, I kind of want to show you what it does. But I don't think I need to be, I just don't want to do the leak down test. I think it's coming from the crankcase. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Gauge back on. Yeah, dead as it can be. Now it's actually blows even more from here. Yep. And look, if I put the cap back on, the compression is gonna go up, believe it or not. Uh-huh. Well, I mean, it could be something else, but if I can feel this much of a wall by here, I think this motor is gonna, it's pretty much done. Well, that's it for this car. needs an engine or an engine rebuild.